When it comes to cloud storage, two names always come up: OneDrive and Google Drive. But which one is better for you? Let's break it down. Google Drive is perfect if you want more free storage, with 15 gigabytes available right away, and seamless collaboration through docs, sheets, and slides. It works smoothly across devices and browsers, making it ideal for people who like real-time editing and a browser-first workflow. On the other hand, OneDrive shines if you're already using Microsoft 365. With OneDrive, you get tight integration with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, plus extra security features like Personal Vault to keep sensitive files safe. It also offers smart syncing options that save space on your computer and upload changes faster, especially for Office files. When it comes to collaboration, Google Drive gives you an edge with its powerful real-time editing, while OneDrive works best for teams that live inside Microsoft's ecosystem. Search is another factor. Google Drive uses Google's search engine, making it easier to find what you need, whereas OneDrive's folder-based system may feel more familiar if you're used to Windows. Pricing and storage also differ. Google Drive offers a simple upgrade path through Google One, while OneDrive is often bundled with Microsoft 365, giving you Office apps along with 1 terabyte of cloud storage. So, which should you choose? If you rely heavily on Microsoft Office and Windows, OneDrive is likely your best choice. But if you prefer browser-based collaboration, free storage, and Google's ecosystem, Google Drive is the way to go. Both are excellent tools, and the best one for you depends on your workflow and personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech comparisons and productivity tips.